Let's create Labubu's head from air-dry clay. Which Labubu figure do you have? Today, we'll show you how to make the adorable Ququ monster. Step 1. Shaping the head. Start by preparing light brown clay and mold it into an oval shape for the head. Press in 2 dents where the eyes will go. Step 2. Creating the eyes. Roll 2 small ovals of white clay, flatten them, and place them in the eye dents. Since Ququ has 2 iris colors, we'll begin with the outer layer. Prepare dark and light teal clay. Shape a small oval from the dark teal clay, flatten it, and attach it to the white part. Then, make an even smaller oval from the light teal clay and place it inside the dark teal. Step 3. Adding the eyebrows using the same light brown clay as the head. Roll small pieces into sausage shapes for the eyebrows. Attach them above the eyes and tilt them downward for an angry expression. Step 4. Bringing the eyes to life. Add 2 tiny white dots to each eye for highlights, making them more lively. Step 5. Sculpting the nose. Using red clay, shape a small triangle for the nose and place it in the center between the eyes. Use a tool to sharpen the triangle's edges. Step 6. Forming the mouth and teeth. Use a light blue colored pencil to mark the smile line. Roll out white clay and attach it to the line, then shape 9 small, blunt triangle teeth directly on the smile line. Avoid making the teeth too sharp. Step 7. Creating the fur hood. Roll out a strip of light green clay, about 4 mm thick, to make the fur hood for the head. Drape it over the head like a hoodie, trim any excess, and smooth out the surface. Step 8. Making the ears. Using the same light green clay, shape 2 bunny-like ears and attach them to the top of the head. For the inner part of the ears, use light brown clay. And add small strips of light green clay for ear details. Step 9. Adding fur texture. With a toothpick, randomly puncture the surface of the clay to create a fur-like texture on the hood and ears. Step 10. Finishing touches. Add detail with colored pencils and pastels. Use a dark green pencil to line the mouth. Apply dark orange pastel with your fingers to give Ququ a cute blush. For a smoother look, blend it in with a brush. And we're done! Your Ququ monster is complete! Don't forget to tag us in your creations, and please subscribe to our channel and like this video to support us. Thanks for watching!